Hello. Okay, so in this lesson, we're talking about memorizing, getting down to work and memorizing our doubles and our friends of 10. Two strategies to remember your math facts. And remember, we need to know our math facts like that by the end of second grade. Not today, not tomorrow, by the end of second grade, okay? So we have friends of 10 and doubles. So we have all these different ways to learn our math facts. We can sing, so be sure to re-watch those videos that are posted in these lessons for all these really fun songs that you can memorize and go around the house singing, and everyone will love you for singing those math facts songs. You can also do chants, and you can help your ask your teacher for some chants. There's some really cool chants like 1 + 1 is 2. Ooh, 2 + 2 is 4. What's more? Lots of different chants. You can even make up your own chant. That would be better if you made your own. Some other strategies we've been talking about: flashcards. So like these flashcards. And these are my really cool flashcards. I like them because they have 10 frames on the back. Make flashcards. Work with family or friends to help remember them. And I think the last one is coloring. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video how to make your own flashcards, because you might like flashcards, and also for coloring. So I want you to grab a piece of paper somewhere around the house. Or you might have a piece of paper from your teacher, or you can even use a paper towel. Here's a paper towel, my dirty paper towel. You can grab a paper towel and do it on a piece of paper towel. You can do that, which actually might look good because the color will go. So this is a piece of paper that I grabbed from Nicholas. I just ripped it off of his roll of paper, and I have friends of 10 and doubles, so I'm gonna make flashcards with these. So actually no, I'm gonna color. Never mind, I'm gonna color. Okay, friends of 10 and doubles. So I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, so guess what? I know how to write upside down. I worked on it a couple years ago. So I have my doubles. 1 + 1 = 2. 2 + 2 = 4. 3 + 3 = 6. 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. Let's see. 6 + 6 = 12. 7 + 7 = 14. 8 + 8 = 16. 9 + 9 = 18. And 10 + 10 = 20. Okay, so I can color. Remember our rainbow coloring? I can color this. And 8. I pick a different color for 3. And remember our rainbow color, you can keep going until it gets really big. Now you can do this all on one piece of paper, or you can do it on different pieces of paper. You could have 10 pieces of paper or napkins, preferably next to where you sleep. 1 + 1 is 2. Okay. And then friends of 10, you do the same thing. Now remember, we don't have a ton of friends of 10. We only have 5 friends of 10. So let's see. Here we go. 0 + 10. 1 + 9. 2 + 8. 3 + 7. 4 + 6. And 5 + 5. And remember, we only have this because 3 and 7 is the same is the same thing as saying 7 plus 3. So we only have to remember this. That's it. Okay? So you can do the same thing here that you did with here. You can color, okay? Or you can make 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's just 6. 6 different pieces of paper on the house. Now, you might be asking yourself or saying to yourself, I don't like rainbows. I'm not a rainbow person. That's not my identity. Well, I've seen kids that like Minecraft and Fortnite and other games, and I've seen students do it. They make pictures and they color Fortnite characters in Roblox or whatever the games that the kids are playing. So you can make a Minecraft picture and just put like with little pictures all in there, and just make sure that you get your friends of 10 and your doubles in there. You can make a picture of a park. You can make a picture of a car. You could draw a car, and the car has your friends of 10 and your doubles on it. It's a really good way to remember your math facts. So, flashcards, same thing. Grab a piece of paper, cut it up with scissors. Now, I took these from Nicholas. They're for his calendar. So I took these. So I already made them. So I want you to watch me make my flashcards. You might have flashcards at home, but in case you don't, this is how you make it, okay? Here we go. So let's see. I'm going to make my friends of 10 first. So I'm going to write 1 really big, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I think I need 0. Okay. So I have 1, 0, 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I have my pieces of paper with my digits on it, and this is a number. So a game you play with your friends and your family. Someone holds up the 9 and you say 1. Someone holds up the 7, you say 3. Okay, so that's one game you can play. You can also match, like memory. You can put them all out and kind of challenge yourself and see how fast you can put them together. Okay, so I'm going to say 1 and 9, 3 and 7. Uh-oh, I need another 5. Okay, 5 and 5, 10 and 0, 6 and 4, and 8 and 2. Boom. So it might take you a while at first, but you can get faster and faster. Or you can flip them over and play a game of memory. Let's see. So flip them over. Okay, so I got 4. I need to find 6. Is that 6? Nope. Okay, next person's done, or next person's turn. And the cool thing is, if you have a younger brother or sister, play the game with them. And if they're in the 1st grade or kindergarten, oh my gosh, they're gonna know their friends of 10 and their doubles like before they get to 2nd grade, and you'll be the hero, and it's gonna be amazing. Now you do the same thing with your doubles, but make sure that you have the answer. So it can't just be 1 plus 1. You got to make sure that it has 2. So I'll write here. Actually, I'm going to flip these over. Okay, so I have 2, I'm going to write 1 plus 1. And on, let's see, on the 4, I'm going to flip it over and write 2 plus 2. And on my 10, I'll flip it over and write 5 plus 5. And 6, my double for 6 is 3 plus 3. And we don't have doubles for 3 because there's nothing that equals 3 that's a double, okay? So let's see, I have 3, I'm gonna, 5, 1, 2, 3. I need 4. So I actually recommend you have 2 sets of flashcards. We have 5, and we have 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, and then 10 plus 10, okay? And then on the back of the flashcard, so on the back of this, you write 20, okay? Or you could do it smaller, you write 20. So again, you play a game with your friends and family. They hold up 10 plus 10 and you go 20. Or they hold up 5 plus 5 and you go 10. Now, works the other way. They can hold up 10 and then you say 5 plus 5. So, really fun. To make it even more fun, you could draw pictures on your flashcards with 10 frames. That might be cool. So that's one way to use flashcards. So I wanted to show you how to make flashcards because you might not have flashcards at home. Now you might have one of these at home. You can pull these out, and this is like a 10 frame, only it's pictures. So you find the 3 in here and you put them together. Now, I think you can do this with the whole deck of cards. So, another game you can play, another strategy. Remember, these are all strategies to remember your doubles and your friends of 10 facts. Grab that card, flip it over. You see 7, make it a race. Who can say 3 the fastest, okay? Or for doubles, you say 14 or 7, because 7 plus 7 is 14, okay? So lots of fun you can have. Now that's flashcards. Remember, you can also color. You can sing a song. Make sure to sing a song right when everyone's waking up in the morning, just to wake everyone up. 2 plus 2 is 4. That'll make everyone really happy. And I think that's it. So we got singing, chants. Okay, so for this lesson, you're gonna tell your teacher, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna choose doubles to work on first, or are you gonna work on friends of 10 first? That's the first thing you're deciding. The second thing you're deciding is, how are you gonna memorize these facts, okay? And the last thing, why are we memorizing math facts? It's like knowing the alphabet. Knowing the alphabet helps you read. Knowing your phonics helps you read. Knowing your math facts helps you do math problems, complete math problems, solve math problems, and it's efficient. Because remember, all the way back at the second lesson, counting by fingers, great strategy, but not as fast as knowing it, okay? And for those of you still working on counting by your fingers, make sure you really know how to count really good on your fingers. But you can still start on memorizing your math facts. And I guess last thing, it's okay if you don't know it right away. It's something that you keep working on. And the thing that I tell my students all the time is, you get on a bike, you don't ride a bike the first time you get on it. You got to keep riding the bike. So it might take time. Some of you might take 3 days. Some of you might take 3 weeks. Some of you guys 3 months. Some of you guys the whole year. The important thing is that you keep at it. And your math mindset and your math identity, so important. Okay? So now I'm getting kind of emotional in my video. It's 15 minutes long. Ah! I'm getting kind of emotional. So that is the end of this unit on adding and subtracting within 20 using mental strategies. Okay? So be sure to do the Google form and talk to your teacher about how you're going to get started. Okay? Peace out.